is the honor if you call them honorable members and they dishonor their own words and their own resolution? So we have approached the court. We have said the court should make pronouncement. The court has told us it has found merit in its ruling by Justice Evelyn Maher, finds merit in our argument that resolutions by the House of Rep cannot be casualized. They must take it serious, they must enforce it.
The Federal High Court in Abuja has compelled the House of Representatives to approve an investigative public hearing into the rape and death of 14-year-old Keren-Happuch Akpagher, a student of Premier Academy Lugbe, Abuja. This was disclosed in a press briefing on Thursday by Lugbe, Executive Director, the Men Against Rape Foundation.
345 days earlier, they had resolved to conduct public hearing. Despite all the former reminders, they had shirked in their responsibility to conduct it. So fortunately, because the court is said to be the hope, the last hope of the common man, we took our cries to the court, our organization, Men Against Rape Foundation, and Karen's mother, Mrs. Akpagher. And the court has now granted us leave for us to commence legal proceedings to compel the Speaker and the House of Rep to conduct investigative public hearing.
Recalling, Karen-Happuch died on the 22nd of June 2021 following medical complications caused by a condom left inside her by an alleged killer rapist. It was gathered that the condom had infected her with sepsis and spiked her blood sugar, which led to her death. Several months after her demise, the family group still demanded a probe into her death. While addressing journalists in Abuja, Lugbe explained how several letters written in the last 345 days to the office of the Speaker of House of Representatives, Femi Gbajabiamila, didn't get any response.
It is not uncommon to Nigerians that our lawmakers start a probe and abandon the probe. It is not uncommon that our lawmakers will pass resolutions they are not willing to comply with. But because at a time when sexual and gender-based violence has become a big pandemic in Nigeria and is taking the lives of our children especially, we must use all legal instruments to make sure that we set a legal precedence that the House of Representatives or even the National Assembly at large would eventually, through this case, realize that resolutions taken on the floor of the House are not merely for caricature.
According to him, Justice Evelyn Maher, who ruled on the matter, held that the request to commence the mandamus proceedings had merit and accordingly granted it. On her part, Vivian Akpagher, the mother of the deceased, still seeking justice, urged the Nigerian government to ensure the killer rapist, who is still at large, is being punished before another child becomes a victim.
It's been 513 days, 17 months, and justice still eludes me. I ran to the House of Representatives. It's been 345 days. I'm still fighting. I'm still seeking for justice. I went to the House of Representatives thinking they were honorable enough to help me find justice. But till this day, I have not seen the honorable in them. All I'm asking for is for them to do what is honorable and help me find justice for my daughter. My daughter is dead and gone. Whatever I do today will never bring her back. But I fight because of the Nigerian child out there, because of the innocent children that are out there, that this killer rapist will not get one of them again. Because for all I know, even as we speak, he's preying on another Nigerian child. All I'm asking for is justice so that this does not repeat itself.